Ever wondered why some studies show a strong correlation between two variables? Yet when you look a little closer, the relationship isn't as clear as it first seemed. Welcome to the intriguing world of confounding variables. Picture this. A study is conducted to investigate the relationship between smoking and lung cancer. The data collected suggests a strong correlation. Those who smoke seem to have a higher risk of developing lung cancer. But is it that straightforward? What if there's a hidden variable influencing this relationship? Enter the confounding variable, also known as a co-founder or lurking variable. This is an extraneous factor that not only correlates with the independent variable, in this case smoking, but also influences the dependent variable, here, lung cancer. This can mask or even distort the true relationship between the two primary variables, potentially leading us to erroneous conclusions. Imagine if socioeconomic status, or SES, was found to be a confounder in our smoking and lung cancer study. Suppose individuals with lower SES were more likely to smoke and also had a greater risk of lung cancer. If researchers failed to take SES into account, they could overestimate the association between smoking and lung cancer. The true culprit might not be the smoking per se, but the lower SES, which could be linked to a host of other risk factors like poor nutrition or limited access to healthcare. So how can researchers control for these confounding variables? One method is to stratify the data by the confounding variable. This means conducting the analysis separately for different levels of the confounding variable. Another technique involves using statistical tools like regression analysis or propensity score, matching to adjust for the effects of the confounder. In essence, by meticulously identifying and controlling for potential confounders, researchers can glean more accurate and reliable results from their studies. This meticulous approach is vital for drawing valid causal inferences about the relationship between variables. So the next time you see a study claiming a strong correlation between two variables, remember to ask, what about the confounders? Because in the world of statistics, things aren't always as they seem.